Well, hello everyone, Larry back with you again. I sure do appreciate you joining us here on St. Nick's Farms YouTube channel. I want you to be sure and stay with us for this video today. If you like the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up, and as always, share it with a friend. And if you haven't already, and thank you to those who have, but if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel. What we're going to be working on today, I've got a contractor coming in, Matthew Green Excavating, and he is going to be working on the area around the sawmill, actually making the area around the sawmill quite a bit larger. We'll be taking down some trees, and so thank you again for joining. Come on, let's get started on this project today. Had a lot of work done today on the sawmill pad area. Just give you a little panorama here of what we're looking at. Matthew was able to move the dirt around so that now we can get around the mill on both sides. And this area here is where the ditch did come down through and go off the side of the hill, and now should be able to manage a little road around here and be able to come around the upper side of the sawmill. He also sloped the banks down some to keep them from being so vertical, and just for the most part was able to double the area around the sawmill. A tremendous improvement to our area here. Be able to access the mill better, get around it better. Got quite a bit of cleaning up to do now. Here are the stumps that came out of this bank area here, and we'll get these stumps, eventually get these stumps disposed of, and get all the cleaning up that we need to do. These trees that were on the lower side of the mill, he cut for me, and you can see the tops that we've got to clean up eventually. But here are the trees. That's going to make some good saw logs for me, and we'll get that taken care of eventually. One huge stump right here. This stump here came from up here. This treetop here is from this stump, and so we'll have to. I'm plan to eventually maybe get that stump down into the burn pit and be able to eventually burn that stump with the other material that comes off of the sawmill, the slabs and things. Well, hello everybody, Larry back with you again, and I've got Matt here with me, and what we've been working on today is kind of grooming the sawmill pad.
Made it bigger.
Made it bigger. Did a good job.
Thank you.
Matt, how long have you been running a backhoe?
I started having my daddy when I was 9 years old, and I'm 36.
Oh my. Well, you do a pretty good job.
Well, thank you. I've got 2 dozers and backhoe and 2 dump trucks, and which my specialty is probably a dozer. But you know, I'm backhoe. I always was in the ditch while Daddy was doing the digging, so he has more years on it but he done it for 48 years when he retired 2 years ago.
Is that right? So the name of your business?
Just Matthew Green Backhoe and Dozer.
Okay. So if you're here in Northwest Alabama and you need some backhoe or dozer work done, well, I can get you in touch with Matthew. In fact, I'll put something here at the bottom of the screen to give you his phone number, and you can certainly get in touch with him. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Be sure, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And I'm already looking forward to some follow-up to this project here today, as far as me grooming the area just a little bit more and getting the sawmill ready. And Matt, you said your dad had a tree he needed sawn.
Mm-hmm.
How big is it?
About big around as that tire right there.
That's really good.
You got to break him in. Show you how. You got to learn how to run it.
I'm afraid that's a little bit too big for my sawmill. We could whittle away at it though. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you watching St. Nick's Farms YouTube channel today. As I said, don't forget to subscribe. Corey in the background. This is Larry and
Matthew.
That's right. Thank you again. We'll see you the next time. Have a great one, folks. Bye-bye. See ya.